hope this is recording. Looks like it. We're out at Ocean Beach, and there's a big high surf advisory. Looks like we're not the only ones out here to have a look at the big waves. And there's some insane people out on the pier, even though the breakers are actually hitting the bottom of it. Yeah, so check that action out. This is something you really don't see in the Atlantic. I guess, unless you're up north. North Atlantic's pretty nasty, but I don't know, I'm yammering. I'm happy to be out here because it's the ocean and it's awesome. And Ray, of course, is having a great time. Dory, you're choking me, son. Hi, Ray. Dorian, get off me, son.
No, Ray.
Literally. Dory is literally trying to choke me. Get off, Dory. Come on. You're killing me. Stop. Blessedly, I don't see even a single surfer out today. So it's nice to see some people using some common sense.